Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Polygon announces its EVM-Equivalent zkEVM. Scroll also reveals its zkEVM testnet release. zkSync plans to launch to Mainnet in 100 days, and Minecraft bans NFTs from its platform. All this and more from ETH Daily starts right now. Matter Labs announced plans to release zkSync 2.0 to Mainnet within the next 100 days. zkSync 2.0 is an upgrade to the network that includes a zkEVM-Compatible zk rollup. The upgrade also includes support for Viper and Solidity. EVM compatibility allows Ethereum developers to port their existing dApps to zkSync with minimal code changes. Matter Labs also revealed it will now adopt a public roadmap laying out sequential milestones for the following months. In fall, Matter Labs will release zk proofs for EVM smart contracts in a live production environment. Projects will also be able to deploy on zkSync 2.0 mainnet as part of a fair launch in Q4, with a public alpha release planned for end of year 2022. Polygon also unveiled the open source release of Polygon zkEVM, an EVM-Equivalent zk rollup. Polygon zkEVM is a separate layer 2 chain focused on processing low-cost and high-throughput transactions while inheriting the security guarantees of Ethereum. This is a separate project from the Polygon proof-of-stake chain. EVM-Equivalent also allows developers to deploy existing smart contracts on Polygon zkEVM without code adjustments. Polygon zkEVM leverages the use of Plonky 2 recursive snarks. The announcement comes amid zkEVM announcements from zkSync and Scroll in a race for the first mainnet release of an EVM-compatible zk rollup. Polygon will release a testnet this summer with a mainnet release expected in early 2023. Scroll, yet another zk rollup layer 2 scaling solution, announced the pre-alpha release of its testnet. Scroll will also be zkEVM-Equivalent and will have Solidity bytecode level compatibility. This means developers can port their Ethereum applications to Scroll without needing to use a transpiler. The initial release will be run on a private proof of authority fork of Ethereum and a Scroll layer 2 testnet running on it. The testnet is open for community feedback on a capacity-limited basis. Users will be able to test applications including a fork of Uniswap. There will also be a smart contract bridge for bridging assets. After this testing phase, Scroll will allow developers to deploy smart contracts in a public alpha testnet release. Minecraft announced a ban on NFTs and NFT integration within their game. Minecraft updated its usage guidelines, citing that, quote, NFTs can create models of scarcity and exclusion that conflict with guidelines and the spirit of Minecraft, end quote. NFTs will not be permitted in Minecraft in-game content, such as worlds, skins, persona items, or other mods. The public statement from Minecraft showed a lack of understanding in the Web3 space, describing NFTs as a, quote, non-editable digital token, end quote, that is, quote, often purchased with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, end quote. Amid the announcement, Web3 gaming project NFT Worlds went into a downward spiral, with its native world token plummeting more than 70%. And lastly, the 10th Ethereum mainnet shadow fork is scheduled for July 27th at 2 p.m. UTC. Ethereum underwent its 9th shadow fork on July 14th. There will be a few more other shadow forks happening in the coming months as the merge approaches. Shadow forks are used for testing different merge scenarios, such as a block reorg. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories from ETH Daily. You can support this podcast by subscribing and leaving us a review on Apple Podcasts. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.substack.com. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.